Hello guys, what's up? All right, I'm so happy right now because so far so good. I have helped about more than 10 to 12%. All right, okay, this afternoon make it the 12% to recover their coin. All right, we have recovered so many coins. We have recovered. This afternoon was Formatic. We have recovered what do you call it, BNB. We have recovered Ethereum. We have recovered, you know, a lot of them I can't mention. And I know some of y'all have recovered some coins. All right, so if you have recovered a coin through the video I made that I'm gonna put up here, or around, or maybe in the description, if you've recovered any coin, please do well to comment so that other people will see that this whole process really worked. All right, but one thing I want to let y'all know is this is not a video showing you that, okay, if you send your coin directly to somebody, a scammer, and you can recover it back. No, it's not that kind of video. If you deliberately sent your coin to somebody who scammed you or something, you can't recover it back. So I advise y'all should be really careful when you're dealing online. And some of these people that I even had to recover some of their coins for, it has to take some time, for them to really trust or believe. If you sent your coin to somebody, that one now is beyond me. I can't help out in that. But the only way I can help out, the only one I can help out is if you sent your coin to the wrong address, all right, or if you sent your coin to your wallet and it's not reflecting, and that's what I can do for you. I can help you recover. All right. So just be sure that, okay, that's the case. And if you sent your coin to an exchange, a platform like Binance, that one I cannot help you because Binance, I can't make any changes there. All right, you have to contact the customer care of Binance. Those are the people that can help you for that recovery process. So anyway, I'm glad that this video, I'm being helpful to a whole lot of persons. So uh, I hope by now you are subscribed to my channel. I have a lot of amazing content to share across the year. So be sure that you subscribe. All right. So I have something, a lot of things coming up. All right. So see you in my next video.